Ooh, I've been using this new body cream from Fresh. It's the black tea age delay. Let me tell you. Okay, she's fabulous. She is fabulous. Put some on my neck, you know. Okay, so we're off to get another facial. So about a month or two ago, I brought you guys with me to Face Gym to try out one of their very untraditional facials. And now today we are going to one of my favorite spots here in New York City, and it is the Joanna Vargas Day Spa. People see me? The Joanna Vargas Spa offers a lot of treatments, ranging from red light bed therapy to something they call a twilight facial. Yeah, that little baby will actually cost you about $1,200. So we're not getting that though. We're not getting that today. For today's video, I will be trying out their SuperNova facial treatment. Won't run you $1,200, but it will run you $325 coin. Can we say high end? Okay, rich perhaps. All right, let's go see what this is all about. Okay, so we just arrived here at the Joanna Vargas Spa.
Lie back on all this loveliness with your head to the back.
Lovely.
Face up, keep the pillow right where it is, and I'm going to come in and wrap you up in a cocoon.
Cool. Okay.
You can leave your pants on or off, whatever's most comfortable with you.
Lovely.
And I'll be with you in like 2 minutes, okay?
Okay. I'm gonna change quickly. And
yeah, do your thing.
So if you've never gotten a facial before, totally fine. This is typically how it starts out. You get into your room, undress, and just wait for your esthetician to come on in and get things started. And I do have on some concealer and eyebrows, but you can go ahead and take all of that off.
Yes, of course. Before we do anything at all, I am going to take a really good look at your skin.
Okay.
Do you have any skin concerns at all?
Oh, this is so important for any esthetician. Listen, okay, I don't care if you are at the most luxurious, okay, the most expensive spa that you can find. You should always be asked about your skin concerns. Yes, while they are the licensed professional here, you know your skin the best and you know what works and what doesn't. You never want to be placed in a situation where they are putting a product onto your skin with an ingredient that you may be allergic to. Could you imagine? Like, facial is over, okay? Like, I gotta go home.
First and foremost, your skin is really, really beautiful. I can certainly tell that you take care of it. So now we're going to start off with 2 Aqua Peels. Very, very light, but very effective. And the way that these peels go on is kind of how we do the diamond microdermabrasion, which I know you're familiar with. But it's also depositing a peel onto the skin at the very same time. There's lots and lots of exfoliation and massage involved. So it's really hydrating and nourishing, especially since you travel a lot.
Although this tool sounds a bit abrasive, like it's a little loud, the pain level here is basically 0. There is a slight suction or pull that you may feel on your skin, but mostly it's just gliding, okay? Gliding, making its way all across your face. Ooh, is this the vitamin C cleanser?
Yes.
So we're cleansing the skin with the Joanna Vargas Vitamin C Cleanser. Oh my God, I forgot how bomb, how fabulous this cleanser is. You guys know I stand by anything vitamin C, okay? You said it's vitamin C, you better give it here. Ooh, I actually have a coupon code for y'all, okay? What? #7 You can use the code Morgan for some coins off if you're interested in the cleanser or any other vitamin Joanna Vargas. What?
It's so gentle, you could rub it all over your eyes, all over your face. It's not gonna dry out your skin, burn, sting.
And it smells so
Hyaluronic
good.
acid. Now I'm going to apply this collagen mask that covers your entire face, including your mouth. Is that okay?
You said cover my what? So we exfoliated, we cleansed, and now it's time to get into what really makes this SuperNova treatment special. Time for a mask. It's time for a mask. It's time for a mask. I don't know, y'all, okay? I just really, really love a good mask. You said you dehydrated? Get a mask. You said detox? Get a mask. This is their collagen mask, which is infused with a lot of vital nutrients. Collagen is great for your skin elasticity when it comes to the firmness of it, okay? We about to be looking snatched.
Now I'm going to use this little device called electroportation.
We love that. Now, does the blue light have any significance?
Blue bacteria.
Ah.
It kills bacteria.
Okay.
So that's the electroportation.
I like that one.
Look at it.
It had a little zinger on it. Okay, it had a little buzz.
A little, nothing crazy.
Nothing too crazy. Really nice. The next part of the SuperNova treatment is probably my favorite part. Definitely my favorite part. Is this the thing that activates the muscles?
Yes, microcurrent muscle. Works up the muscle in your face, circulation, drainage, depuffing, sculpting, lifting. It's like going to Equinox without selling your soul, or contouring without makeup, as I like to personally put it.
This tool is basically going to stimulate and wake up those muscles. I forgot how many there are on our faces, but there are a lot of muscles in there that we don't necessarily pay attention to. But yes, it turns out that stimulating those muscles actually lifts and really tones up the face. No, I don't feel anything. Am I supposed to?
Some people do, some people don't.
Okay. Get a close up. Thumbnail. Can you kind of buy one of these little tools for at home?
Yeah, there's different ones on the market. They're not as strong as what you can get here.
We'll try to find a few and link them in the description box below for you guys. I'm actually thinking about purchasing one.
This
I know this guy.
Okay, wait, what's my acronym?
Coolsculpting.
Cool. Well, that's not cool. It's not cool sculpting, but it's almost like
cryotherapy.
Yes.
So what is this doing for us right now?
Remember, the cooling, the circulation, it stimulates collagen production, it helps with inflammation. I absolutely love the feeling. Like I said, it reduces any inflammation. So if you did have extractions, this is amazing for right after the extractions.
Amazing.
Very quiet too.
My skin literally feels like it's breathing. Oh well, you just wait a minute, ma'am. Okay, because you haven't seen oxygen yet.
Now we're gonna conclude it with, oh my gosh, the oxygen gun. So the oxygen gun gives out pure oxygen that's connected to a serum that Joanna specifically made for the machine. In that serum, there's lots of calming agents like aloe vera. There's some antioxidants like green tea that brighten up the skin. And then of course the magic ingredient, hyaluronic acid.
So what's happening here is pure oxygen is being spat out of the little gun, and it's also infused with a special serum that Joanna Vargas made specifically for the machine. But levels, I told you, this thing has depth, okay? We're going to finish this thing off with a serum and a little bit of moisturizer. And voila, guys, that was our $325 SuperNova facial treatment from Joanna Vargas. I think I look great. Okay, I think my skin looks good. It looks really good. Hey, wait a minute, where do you think you are going? Sit down. If you haven't already, you need to subscribe, right? It's somewhere over, where we at? Down here or right there. Go on and subscribe. Oh. Can people see me? If you guys have any questions about my treatment, anything we chatted about in this video, please leave them in the comments below. Hopefully this will get you to go out and get your first facial. There's nothing intimidating about it. You can ask as many questions as you want to your esthetician. I definitely encourage you guys to look into facials. As far as the maintenance of them, they actually are pretty low maintenance. You will find me getting any type of facial once every 4 weeks, if that, but I try once a month. So yes, me and my fabulous skin. We're gonna go.